Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ayça and in today's video I will be showing you how to make a wet chocolate cake. So let's start with our ingredients. We will need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1½ cup of sugar, 1½ cup of milk, and 2 packs of baking powder. We usually use only 1, but for this recipe we will use 2. And 1 pack of vanilla sugar. First of all, we are going to start off with our mixer. I am going to put my eggs firstly inside the mixer. And we are going to add the sugar. And we are going to mix them until it forms a nice mixture. It should take about 4 to 5 minutes. And then we are going to add our milk. And also oil. And we are again going to mix them really well. And right now we are going to put our cocoa powder inside as well. Now again we are going to mix with the help of our mixer. And now, as you can see guys, I have taken 1 cup of our cake mixture aside because we will use this later on. And now I'm also putting our baking powder after I get that 1 cup of cake mixture. That's very important. So I put all of them. I'm also adding my flour. In this stage you don't have to use a mixer because it's better if you do it with your spatula. As you can see guys, this is the texture that we want. So now this is my cake mold. It's with a lock and I have already buttered it up for my cake to come out easily. So you should also butter up your mold. I'm adding in my cake mixture. And now you just tap it a little bit to let the bubbles come out until they're all out. Do this. Now it's time to put the cake in the oven. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 40 minutes and 180 degrees, but it's all up to your oven guys. So now it's time to put our cake mix that we just taken away before. When it's out of the oven, you just wait a little bit. You don't use it fast. Make sure the cake is now cold. Not cold, but room temperature. As you guys can see, now I have created a very beautiful cake. It's shiny. You can serve the cake like this, or you can serve it like I did, like this. I topped it with a sour cherry and coconut powder. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another recipe of mine. Bye!